Okay, what happens when you see a stain mark like this with your Mitsubishi aircon? That's because of rusting at the base plate. So Mitsubishi has got a weird design, is that the bottom part actually uh, sort of like collects water. So most of the aircon manufacturer base plate don't have this like L portion. So if there's some water that's collected, actually drips off the wall and dries up. But because it collects water, it's stagnant there and then it starts to corrode and causing all these rusting issues. So okay, how are we gonna prevent this? Okay, you have to understand that inside this very small space, which probably not easy to see, actually it houses a let me okay see a house of water pipe, electric cable, and this black color thing is the copper pipe. So due to space constraint, the copper pipe are put together in one sleeve, so that will cause condensation. And trust me, the material is very thin. And down here you have a pipe union, so there's bolts and nuts somewhere here. So that actually adds to the space also. So there's some portions where insulation is very thin. So if you run your aircon at too low a temperature, dry mode, or your aircon is clogged, or you run at low fan speed, the copper pipe becomes even colder. So then you get condensation issues like this. Especially the newer aircon is built to be more energy efficient, cooler. You're working with a different kind of system over the years. So things are different and they behave differently as well. Especially for Singapore, when humidity is high, any surface that's cold tends to have condensation. So in fact, to get rid of this problem is difficult, but the only best option we have available, okay, you see, this is the water pipe outlet. Opening from the right, it goes to the left and out from here. So what we can do is that actually get rid of this water pipe and create an opening directly from the left up. So it frees out this space. Then but you can't take out the electrical pipe. So if you take out this space, it means that there's a possibility that we can either try to insulate the copper pipe separately, or we use a much thicker insulation. Now you have more space to play with, and that will help to minimize the condensation. But I'm sure is that if the system is clogged, or you run at very low fan speed, or worse, you run at dry mode, you're gonna get problems like this. Okay.